cereal ready. Give me a spoon.
I will.
Go give me a spoon.
Okay.
Alright. Everybody knows that before the most important race on the face of the planet happens, you gotta have a good breakfast. That's why I choose Wheaties, and it's Uncle Drew approved. Number 10 card's on the front of the Wheaties box. Ask me why. Why? Because we're winners. Only winners get on the front of the Wheaties box. Alright. Let's go win.
All right, here we are. Cracking back start. This is one of the engines right here. Look at this. I just don't know about that. Looks like a Mercedes, pretty good car. But look what he's done. He's chopped the back end of it off. Might as well take your $1,000 and set fire to it. $1,000 car ain't worth a dime. You lose your $1,000 every time. I don't know. Why did I ever buy? Oh, we got a pickup truck entry. I didn't see this one. Number 9. Usually buying some gas. We got us a van. Cruise mobile van. What's that, Geo? With speed clip hoods for the hood. Oh, and paint job. Look inside. And it's got the important part of good stereo. This one looks like the winner to me. Should have made a little platform out here to get the cans to be able to do it while you're moving without even having to stop. I like the stitch job though, that's excellent. If you only got $1,000, I would do things like that. Just buy a good guitar. Looks pretty comfy. It'll take you farther than any old $1,000 car. If $1,000 car was truly worth a damn, help keeping it cool. I like that light. We have our sponsored cars. Oh, with the dealie bodies hanging. Yes. Oh, good. Oh, I thought they ripped off the rear view. Good. And this one's straight from the Outback, Australia style. Oh, I like the new headlights. That's a good. out this Mercury thing. No, it's not Mercury. That one. Sure. That's a beaut. Love that blue.
Rusty hinges, rusty frame. She was a beauty in the trader, so I signed my name. Now she's parked out back and I'm feeling a little unwise. Got a smooth ship, low miles, but a peek under her skirt just drives me wild. Boy, it's hard to see anything coming.
Another video of this
Stars
on
in
the
your
phone.
eyes. Does anybody want to buy a half-ton van? She's got the V8 engine and an Indiana tan. Your best offer is my worst fear. Why don't you take her for a spin? She'll go anywhere the dealer swore she can. Does anybody want to buy a half-ton van?
And here's where the BS starts talking. Yeah.
Cold heat, hot air, test driver off a main road. She's better than fair. That crack in the windshield's worth keeping the price way down. Don't mind the hole, don't mind the smell.
I'll show you Rick's car or truck. Rick's got a truck over here.
Sitting on the lot for months. What a find I found. Does anybody want to buy a half-ton van? She's got the 5.7
Van was
diesel
burning the
in
wheels, I
van.
guess.
You gotta keep in mind, they all run until they ran. So go anywhere, just don't make too many plans. Does anybody want to buy a half-ton van? Between you and me, it's better than it seems. No low balls, I know what I got in this thing. I was gonna take it through the auto wash, but it needs some new leather stripping.
So here we are. I
But
got
if you
a
take it off my
close up
hands,
of
I'll
Rick's
fill the tank
1960
for free.
Ford F-150 Ford truck.
Does anybody wanna buy a
Custom
half-ton
cab.
van? You be the
It
envy
sure
of
looks custom.
every travel
So custom, there
man.
ain't nothing
Most
in
of
it.
the cylinders are firing, and you don't really need the ones that can. Just keep her away from snow, salt, and sand. Does anybody want to buy a half-ton?
Got another one sitting right here. Nice.
Resale value's fair. Make me an offer.
Alright.
Yeah, you can post. You can post it. You can post that you were in Amarillo when you're in Abilene. It doesn't matter, or Lubbock, or wherever you are on your way back. So, what will happen here once she draws that? We will line up at right here at the separation in the
How do you
in
add to the group or
asphalt.
whatever?
She's gonna say go, and it'll be any style start where you run and get in your car.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
No, we're not looking for contact.
So any questions before we move forward? Awesome.
So tell me again how you want the pictures at the Grand Canyon.
One at the sign,
Car in front of the sign.
car in front of the sign at Grand Canyon, and then second is
To the
you
track
and your
and back.
partner with the Grand Canyon in the background.
Okay.
Yeah, keep in mind, everybody, a lot of people have shared it to their mommies, their grannies, all of that good jazz. When you're putting those posts out there, let's make sure we're using appropriate language to where like this isn't some vulgar thing that we're posting out on the internet. We want to make it happy for everybody.
Jay.
So basically what I'm saying is keep it PG out on the Facebook page, trash talking, on the spectators page. Know the difference. There's a spectators page and a group page.
Don't know the difference. There will be a meeting at this corner in 10 minutes.
So that's what's going on, guys. I'm glad you made this thing a reality. Let's have some fun. Let's show the desert. Here goes the last challenge. We're gonna pull it. Okay. After we know what the challenge is, everybody would like the rest of the challenges there.
Alright, you ready? Ready? Alright, final challenge. Picture with a Santa Claus.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
L-A-M.
Somebody knows.
You guys have second Dutch in the car. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright.
Capital L or just the lowercase? L-A-M-P-A-S-S-A-S?
They're irrelevant.
Rest of the challenges that you do not have to pick.
Hold on.
Picture
L-A-M-P-A-N.
pie at a restaurant.
Okay, cool.
Pie at a restaurant. Not gonna do
This one just says Britain sucks.
Got it.
Oh, sing the Star Spangled Banner with any city limit sign in the background on the roof of your vehicle. Yeah. Aren't you glad that's not a challenge? Alright, picture a team playing dominoes. Take pick with gas station worker. That's a good one. 100 miles an hour on speedometer or topped out.
Or topped out, in our case.
Oh, so rather than pick this one, have a stranger flip you the bird. No, Jay.
That's too easy.
No, Jay.
Yeah, that's too easy.
Oh, 25 cents kitty ride. That's it. Never swim it.
Alright, so let's go.
Line up.
Second.
Sorry. Go ahead.
I got it. Last minute, but I got it. I think. Hold that right there.
Yeah, James said that's for me.
They're parked over there.
They're waiting for everybody to leave.
What's a running race to the car and start? Go?
Yes.
Hey, all right. Thank you.
You recharge your pants.
Yeah.
At 2 o'clock, that van's leaving regardless of what's going on.
Burn on his back. Burn.
Shine up. Shine up. Yeah, just.
Okay, take the picture.
Everybody but Rick me.
What?
And Yum Yum does it.
Oh, and Yum Yum does it.
Yum Yum's young. He smokes cigarettes.
Doesn't what? Smoke?
No.
Oh, the Aveo's not in line.
Where's the little ones?
Sneaking in here.
Where? How are you
Hey.
doing?
Oh, fine.
If they're not going to line up, y'all be careful.
Oh,
There and then back
it's
to
just a
the
road trip. Fun.
Come on. Okay, you don't get too reckless, though. Because you don't want to be online.
tickets on the front of people's cars out there.
Got your key at hand?
Hey, you don't want to stay there. All right.
158.
Yeah, that van's rolling out at 2 o'clock. Regardless.
My dad, do not call us if you get arrested. Call your
Rand's
wife.
on the phone. Hey, Cowboy, count it off. 1, 2, 3. Cowboy!
Hold on, it ain't 2 o'clock yet.
Yeah, we
Just count it off.
got
1,
a
2,
minute.
3. Who cares? Fuck. Sorry, Laurie.
Jay!
1, 2, 3, go!
Dukes of Hazzard style! Looks like my door's locked, damn it!
Put those in the ice chest.
Go, go, go. See ya! Stop sign.
Wait, there's lots of fucking room for you.
All right. Started. And we are going.
The AC pump out there.
And the AC's working.
I feel
For a minute.
tears welling up, going deep
fooled
inside,
them.
like my heart's gonna get broke. And the stab of loneliness, sharp and painful, that I may never shake. You might say that I was taking it hard since you broke me off with a call. Don't you wager that I'll have the sorrow when I'm in brick right down the fall. Now the race is on and here comes right at the backstretch. Heartaches going to the inside. My tears are pulling back. They're trying not to fall. My heart's out of the running. True love scratch for another's sake. The race is on and it looks like heartaches. And the winner loses all. One day I ventured in love, never once suspecting what the final result would be. Now I live in fear of waking the beach and morning, finding that you're gone from me. To say goodbye in my heart for the name of the one that I had to replace. Somebody new came up to win her, and I came out in second place. Now the race is on and here comes pride at the backstretch. Heart is going to the inside. My tears are holding back. They're trying not to fall. My heart's out of the running. True love scratch for another's sake. The race is on and it looks like heartaches. And the winner loses all.
Come on, go around them.
What is that on his back thing? 2 bullets or?
Well, you know I've got to go. Honey, please don't block my way. Well, you know I've got to go. Honey, please don't block my way.
go.
Please, baby, please don't hold me so tight. Please, baby, please don't hold me so tight. I'm a rambling woman. I'll probably never act right. Highway bound. Well, you know I really love you, baby, and someday I'll come back home. You know I love you, Daddy. Someday I'll come back home.
See, I can read how many miles.
But for now,
Seriously?
pretty baby,
406 miles?
I sure have got to roll.
Done 406 miles. I'd have cell service up here at this little tower. Probably do some chats. Any of you girls got any cell service? No.
Right there, it's good.
Star of the crown variety. A no turn signal using minutes.
Like I could have parked down there. Where are you going?
Right-hand lanes if you got rocks.
Let's do the one we said. It's inside.
Tiny brain. Tooling around town. Your high beams blaring. Tool should be your handle. You got my toddler swearing. Organ donor on your license.
There's our aliens
Yeah,
you're
you
gonna
got a
do.
big heart, but your
Roswell.
hole is greater than the sum of your parts. La-di-da-di-da-di, stop sign.
Ancient.
La-di-da-di-da-di, red lights. That's like it's my gig. No job's too big. And idiots. Hey, asshole. You drive like shit.
There's one.
Well, you just sightseeing here in a HOV. I'm crossing double yellows, risking 490. You're not passing anybody, but you're in the passive lane. And your passive aggro driving sure is driving me insane. Now what shade of green are you waiting for? It's the pedal on the right and I'm nuts pushing to the floor. And a flash of my lights just means move over to the right. Don't take it as a challenge to a roadside knife fight.
There's our alien.
Stop sign. La-di-da-di-da-di, red light.
All right.
Like it's my gig.
New Year's Eve.
No job's too big. And idiots. Hey, asshole. You drive like shit.
You're like the first person to come by your ass and take a picture with a.
I'm not driving like a maniac. I'm just passing assholes. I'm just passing assholes.
Onward to the race. I drive.
We come to a hill and you can't fathom physics. Check your gauges, you're going 40 while I'm going ballistic. We're on an incline, precious. You'll need to compensate. Put down the phone for the love of God and just accelerate. Another look
We don't have to go out there, do we?
Yes, with the cars.
Yeah. All right, got your phone. Pull closer, damn it! Pull, drive down there. Plenty. You're way out of the.
There's one I ever own, except the one I'm driving now. Been stripped down to the bare bone now. Sam Savage. There's a Mustang and a GTO.
Hey, can we ask y'all a favor?
Caved in grill.
We need to shoot some fireworks off with a stranger. Would you mind?
Forever busted shoe.
Pop it.
My old car.
Well, use your phone.
Cause I drove them everyone over the edge. So wonder I wouldn't kill my old car. Rise up from the weed.
It's a Roman candlelight ball. You want to do it?
I wish to kill him back.
Phone
Far enough to outrun your memory.
Racing. Back. Lampasas to the
I can drive by that junkyard. Count the times it broke my heart. Watch a jack leg with a socket wrench. Drinking beer in Yankee Park. And I can count these
Don't rock too long of a video.
Broken bones will heal, but I can't stand to count the times you said I love you. Ain't no big deal. My old car, they haunt me still. Cause I drove them everyone over the edge. It's a wonder I wouldn't kill my old car. Rise up from the weed.
Going out fast, we coming on, man.
And I wish to hell and backwards, far enough to outrun.
There you go.
Your memory.
Got me on your chest there, too.
Last week I bought a 442.
You got it?
Black as
Thank you.
Ace of Spades. Sold my half of Grandpa's land, but it's rolling in his grave.
All right.
My friends say I get older.
Oh, there you go. Thank
They
you.
just don't know.
They gave us all kinds of challenges, things like take a picture with an alien in Roswell.
My old car, they haunt me still. Cause
Oh, we already did. We brought them with us.
I wouldn't kill
No.
my old car. Rise up from the weed. I wish to hell and backwards, far enough to outrun your memory. I wish to hell and backwards, far enough to outrun your memory.
That's it. Yes, victory. That's what it's gonna look like, boys.
This is noble. This is definitely noble.
Got your camera? We're on a fucking sidewalk. Yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen the Grand Canyon. It looks kind of flat. Your lights, man. Here. Let's take a picture. We'll use this one because it's on. Take it up. On the freaking sidewalk. We've completed our challenges. Let's go. Is that the just went through a sandstorm. Closest I've ever been to them.
Lately it's the morning.
Jeez, you can drive out there.
When I miss her.
Run out to that one.
Most of all. Miss her laughter. So long after that laughter's gone.
Take one home.
There's no comfort in these tears that I cry.
I heard something about hail.
I think in Roswell, I think they had.
Wish I could find
we did see 2 cars that got off the road, and they were on fire on the side of the road, just 2 or 3 miles from each
John,
other.
remember when we came out of Roswell, though? Remember that big cloud that was over the
Yeah. They took a picture. We went Roswell first, and then come back to the Cadillac Ranch. Did 2 for 1.
You guys took off from like the Mexico Post, and we went straight.
We all were going to Cadillac Ranch first.
All I can say is
And-
if our caliper hadn't gone, we would have been here 45 minutes ago.
Yeah, you would
Really?
have. You would have.
Maybe 30 minutes.
So I
We
was
would
over
have
on
had to speed it
90
back.
when we first took off.
We could have improved our time 20 minutes. That's about it.
We
From our
we went out of
mistakes.
here. You guys went off to the left there instead of.
No, we turned right.
Yeah.
The only one that didn't make it was the man. Jay went out this way. I'm not sure what they
No, that was the owner guy here that we worked there that turned off to the right.
Was it Brent? No.
Yes, it was Brent.
Was it Brent?
Yes, it was. They pulled off the highway going down, and I think to do their bottle rocket thing yesterday. I mean, it was in a really it was in New Mexico.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Actually, almost going into Arizona. I think it was New Mexico. There's so much road construction and cones and things, and it was hard to see. And we almost hit a jackrabbit, and we saw a few elk. What did he hit?
They really don't know what they hit. They don't know if it was an elk or a deer.
No, you had to known if it was an elk or a deer. They were huge. They were like mooses. There was a rabbit that kept running across. It did us on the way in out there, and I missed it 5 feet, and on the way back, I missed it by 2 feet.
The best thing is
I'll be in the park next year.
Kid, guy with his kids. Dad, you actually something like, and he's asking us for more.
I started at 7:22 when y'all were coming in, and I posted this.
So it's 7:22 already?
7:22, and then you're only
Yeah,
you're
right there. Yeah, so 7:22.
Yeah.
So
So it
2
was 29 hours.
2 to 2 is 12. 18.
24 hours. Yes. From 2 to 2 is 24 hours.
It's 7.
And then you had the 5. Matt's never been your strongest.
Yeah.
29 hours and 22 minutes.
What was y'all's final time? 29 hours.
22.
Yeah, because I was 25.
We were gonna donate our car, but because first gear doesn't work anymore, try to drive it around here, and no, it's an automatic, and it and then it'll pop and get in a second and take off.
Well, the worst thing is I think it's dangerous because of that front end.
And it's a little dangerous because of the rack and pinion thing on one side, all the oil came out. So when you make a left-hand turn, it takes a little while, and then all of a sudden it hits.
Where did you get your 4 brand new tires for under 500? Because I need tires.
Those tires came on it.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
For real.
They look brand new.
I've got 2 good new ones in the trunk that I got from Harold's. They're like $30.
And is your husband
Wow.
I went over there.
Brent or?
I spent about $90.
Okay, well, the one that works here is Brent. Yeah, Brent.
Dry rot.
His mistake. He put all of that stuff on top of the roof and the tire and everything, and it was just a huge wind drag. We had him on speed. he couldn't keep up with us because of that wind drag. They should have put that tire in the back seat in the trunk. Yeah.
Put that extra 100 pounds in the front.
Really?
And they almost put a brand new one.
Yeah, I heard about that too.
But
Archie, you need to bring that back.
that was their downfall of putting that on the roof. But they saved us with their lights because when we were through that moose stuff, we said, I can't see with the lights on that thing, we'll let you lead. And then they wouldn't let us pass.
That doesn't sound like them at all.
Yeah. And then some other Audi or something when we got on I-40, some Audi passed them and we just stuck to the bumper of the Audi so they couldn't block us.
Every little town we came to, we're going to get pulled over in this town. It's going to give us enough time to...
No, that really was lucky though, John. We didn't. We're lucky we didn't get stopped.
Yeah.
Lucky we didn't have a blowout. Lucky we didn't have get stopped, get arrested. We didn't punch each other out.
Yeah, trying to sleep with Spanish music. That was not
Cajun
easy.
music.
Cajun, yeah, it was Cajun, yeah. It rolls it. It rolls it in the parking lot.
Hey, it's his parking lot.
Hit your mother-in-law.
You know, I know you guys would have been closer if you had taken them tires and put them in the back seat.
The most dramatic. Is it coming?
Finish.
They're behind us. We got creeped on pretty hard through Brownwood by a cop. He got right behind us. When we came into Coleman, y'all were leaving as we were coming in, and we got stuck.
We saw him. He pulled left and went up behind us.
Yeah.
We just went past him.
Yeah,
still on the highway?
yeah, he's still. They're probably behind us. Yeah, I was covered in dirt.
Oh, see, who spent the least gas? That's a thing.
That would not be.
Hey, the last two stops, we got a pump. One wouldn't take the credit card. I had to go in and give them cash, and it made me so mad. And then this last pump we did, it was sitting there doing it. It took 4 minutes to do 1.5 gallons, and we only did 5 gallons, and we didn't have enough, and we had to stop in Lomita and put 1 gallon in, and we made it. Yeah.
I am the emperor of the highway, strapped with foolish mortals.
For no reason should we all do that.
I can stop and go and turn just as I please.
Oh, I was like, are they being drugged?
For I am the
There's a
emperor
sign. Yeah, we didn't even see them.
Hey, I gotta be honest.
Oh, methinks that thou hast driven too far.
Within 10 minutes.
Royal prince of bar and sports cars. Better that I should drive a wheelchair or jog than to be blown up by a brutal roadhog. Where did you ever find that gas-sucking pig of a car? Only real man will drive a stick shift.
Yeah, really.
And I will punch your lights out. This is my exit. We shall meet another day. Don't forget who's emperor of the highway.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he was about to do it.
I am the emperor of the highway.
My pappy said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln. Have you heard the story of the hot rod race where the Fords and Lincolns was setting the pace? That story is true, I'm here to say I was driving that Model A. It's got a Lincoln motor and it's really souped up. That Model A body makes it look like a pup's. Got 8 cylinders and uses them all. It's got overdrive, just won't stall. With a 4-barrel carb and a dual exhaust with 4 living gears, you can really get lost. Got safety tubes, but I ain't scared. The brakes are good, tires fair. Pulled out of San Pedro late one night. The moon and the stars was shining bright. We was driving up Grapevine Hill, passing cars like they was standing still. sudden, in a wink of an eye, a Cadillac sedan passed us by and said, boys, it's a mark for me. By then, the taillight was all you could see. Now the fellas ribbed me for being behind, so I thought I'd make the Lincoln unwind. Took my foot off the gas and man alive, I shoved it on down into overdrive. Wound it up to 110, my speedometer said that I hit top end. My foot was glued like lead to the floor, that's all there is and there ain't no more. Now the boys all thought I lost my sense, and telephone poles looked like a picket fence. They said slow down, I see spots, the lines on the road just looked like dots. Took a corner, sideswiped the truck, crossed my fingers just for luck. My fenders was clicking the guardrail post, the guy beside me was white as a ghost. Smoke was coming from out of the back when I started to gain on that Cadillac. Knew I could catch him, I thought I could pass. Don't you know by then we'd be low on gas. We had flames coming from out of the side. Feel the tension, man, what a ride. I said, look out, boys, I got a license to fly. And that caddy pulled over and let us by. Now all of a sudden she started knocking down in the dip. She started to rock, and I looked in the mirror. Red light was blinking. The cops was after my hot rod Lincoln. They arrested me and they put me in jail, and they called my pappy to throw my bail. And he said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln.